According to IC Cars, only 4.8% of vehicles ever reach 250,000 miles. That means over 95% of cars on the road today will never see 250,000 on the odometer. But what if I told you there are SUVs from the 2000s right now selling for $5,000 to $15,000 with a 39% chance of hitting that milestone? 8 times the industry average. In this video, we are counting down 10 virtually indestructible SUVs from the 2000s. Vehicles that mechanics love, that owners refuse to sell, and that have proven themselves across millions of miles worldwide. Starting at number 10, the Chevrolet Suburban and GMC Yukon from 2000 to 2006 on the GMT 800 platform. Under the hood sits the 5.3-liter Vortec V8 producing 285 horsepower and 325 pound-foot of torque. This is one of the most proven engines GM ever built. Cast iron block with aluminum heads, millions produced, and parts are everywhere and cheap. Police departments, government fleets, and taxi companies have run these past 300,000 miles with nothing more than basic care. Owners love massive interior space, serious towing capacity at over 7,000 pounds, and the ability to fix it anywhere in the country. Watch for the infamous piston slap, cold start knock. GM says it's normal and doesn't affect longevity. Instrument cluster failures run $150 to $300 to fix, and fuel pumps typically fail between 100,000 to 150,000 miles. In northern states, always check the frame for rust. That's the real killer on these trucks. Annual maintenance runs $400 to $600, and you can expect 250,000 to 300,000 miles. Number 9 is the first generation Toyota Highlander from 2001 to 2007. This is essentially camera reliability in SUV form, built on Toyota's K platform and sharing DNA with one of the most reliable sedans ever made. The preferred 3.3-liter V6 produces 230 horsepower and 242 pound-foot of torque. Smooth, efficient, and absolutely bulletproof. Owners praise the comfortable ride, excellent fuel economy at 20 city and 25 highway, and unibody construction that drives like a car rather than a truck. Common issues include oxygen sensor failures at $200 to $400, power steering pump leaks at higher mileage, and some transmission shudder that a fluid change usually fixes. The V6 requires timing belt replacement at 90,000 miles. Don't skip this as it's an interference engine. Annual maintenance costs just $350 to $500 with expected mileage of 250,000 to 300,000 miles. At number 8, the second generation of Acura MDX from 2007 to 2013. Honda's 3.7-liter J37 V6 produces 300 horsepower and 275 pound-foot of torque. Combined with the super handling all-wheel drive system, this delivers genuine luxury with Honda durability. This is one of the few SUVs that actually fun to drive. However, the 2010 to 2013 models are prone to oil consumption. Acura issued a TSB about this. The timing belt service every 100,000 miles is absolutely critical since this is an interference engine. Valve adjustment is needed every 30,000 miles, and the engine requires premium fuel. Annual maintenance averages $500 to $700 with expected mileage of 200,000 to 250,000 miles. And if you are getting value from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. It helps this channel more than you know. Let's get back to the list. Number 7 is the Lexus GX470 from 2003 to 2009. This shares its bones with the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado and runs the legendary 4.7-liter 2UZ-FE V8, producing up to 275 horsepower with VVTi and 330 pound-foot of torque. The overlanding community calls this their hidden gem. True body-on-frame construction, full-time 4-wheel drive with low range, and Lexus Luxury at half the Land Cruiser price. The secondary air injection pump tends to fail on 2005 and newer models, costing $1,100 to $2,200, though a $50 bypass kit solves it permanently. Time in belt service every 90,000 miles is critical. Annual maintenance runs $500 to $700 with expected mileage of 300,000 to 400,000 miles. Number 6 is the second generation of Honda CR-V from 2002 to 2006, powered by the 2.4-liter K24A1 engine, producing 160 horsepower and 162 pound-foot of torque. Those numbers might not sound impressive, but this is arguably Honda's most reliable 4-cylinder ever made. The key advantage is the timing chain instead of belt. No expensive scheduled replacement needed. Just change your oil and this engine will outlast the body around it. Owners love the excellent fuel economy, compact size that's easy to park, and real-time all-wheel drive system that actually works in snow. There is even a fold-flat picnic table in the cargo area that CR-V owners adore. The AC compressor is the known Achilles heel of this generation, running $600 to $1,000 to repair. Door lock actuators fail frequently but are cheap to fix. The CR-V is also prime target for catalytic converter theft due to easy access. Annual maintenance costs just $300 to $450 with expected mileage of 250,000 to 300,000 miles. At number 5, the first generation of Toyota Sequoia from 2001 to 2007. Built on the Tundra platform, this runs the 4.7-liter 2UZ FE V8, producing 240 horsepower in early models and 282 horsepower with VVTi starting in 2005. Here is the stat that tells you everything. The Sequoia has a 39.1% chance of reaching 250,000 miles, the highest of any vehicle tested, 8 times the industry average. Exhaust manifold cracks are common, causing a tickle noise with repairs running $500 to $1,200. Frame rust in northern states was severe enough that Toyota settled a class action lawsuit. Always inspect carefully. Time in belt service every 90,000 miles is required. Annual maintenance averages $500 to $650 with expected mileage of 300,000 to 400,000 miles. At number 4, we have the second generation of Nissan Xterra from 2005 to 2015. This is a true body-on-frame SUV from an era when most competitors went soft with crossover designs. The 4-liter VQ40DE V6 produces 261 to 265 horsepower and comes from Nissan's legendary VQ family. But there's one critical issue you must know about. The SMOD, or Strawberry Milkshake of Death, affects 2005 to 2010 models. The factory radiator fails internally and mixes coolant with transmission fluid, destroying your transmission. This is not if, but when. Replace the factory radiator or install a bypass cooler immediately. Beyond that, timing chain tensioner wear on pre-2011 models can require a $1,000 to $1,500 repair. Prevent SMOD and you're looking at 200,000 to 300,000 miles. Annual maintenance runs $400 to $550. Number 3 is a Lexus LX 470 from 1998 to 2007, a Toyota Land Cruiser 100 series wearing a tuxedo. Same legendary platform, same bulletproof drivetrain with Lexus Luxury on top. The 4.7-liter 2UZ FE V8 produces up to 275 horsepower with VVTi. These vehicles are built to survive decades of service in the Middle East, Africa, and Australia regions where failure isn't an option. With proper care, these reach 500,000 miles, with documented examples exceeding 1 million kilometers. The main concern is the AHC hydraulic suspension, with repairs costing $2,500 to $4,000. Many owners swap to coil springs. Timing belt every 90,000 miles is critical. Annual maintenance averages $512, with expected mileage of 300,000 to 500,000 miles. That's unbelievable. At number 2, the first generation of Honda Pilot from 2003 to 2008. Honda's 3.5-liter J35 V6 produces 240 to 244 horsepower. This is Honda's proven workhorse, the same architecture used in the Odyssey and Accord. Families love the 3-row seating, excellent safety rating, and VTM4 all-wheel drive that genuinely works in snow. According to the 2025 IC Cars study, the Pilot has a 17.5% chance of reaching 250,000 miles, 2.2 times more likely than the average SUV and the only non-Toyota, non-GM vehicle in the top 10. Early 2003 and 2004 models had transmission issues, though Honda resolved this later. Timing belt every 105,000 miles is critical. Annual maintenance costs $400 to $550, with expected mileage of 250,000 to 300,000 miles. And finally, at number 1, the 4th generation of Toyota 4Runner from 2003 to 2009. This combines everything that makes Toyota legendary: body-on-frame construction, bulletproof drivetrain options, and a platform proven across millions of miles worldwide. You have 2 engine choices: the 4-liter 1GR-FE V6 producing 245 horsepower and 283 pound-foot of torque, or the 4.7-liter 2UZ-FE V8 producing 270 horsepower and 330 pound-foot of torque. It's tough to choose between these 2 engines, but here's why the V6 gets my top recommendation. It uses a timing chain, not belt, eliminating one of the most expensive maintenance items entirely. Taxi companies in the Middle East and Australia have documented these engines exceeding 600,000 miles on original internals. The highest mileage 4Runner that publicly documented on forums sits at over 720,000 miles with the original engine and transmission. This is the SUV that mechanics recommend to their own families. The V6 models get part-time 4-wheel drive with low range, while V8s feature full-time 4-wheel drive. Watch for frame rust on 2003 to 2005 models in salt belt states and dashboard cracking in hot climates. For the V6, maintenance is remarkably simple, with annual costs averaging just $371. Expect 300,000 to 400,000 miles, with documented examples exceeding 700,000 miles. That's unbelievable. So there you have it. This is the list. This is the top 10 SUVs that proves the 2000s were probably and arguably one of the golden age for reliability. Before complex turbo systems, before CVTs, before screens controlled everything, engineers built trucks to survive. And for the last point, did you pay attention to the list? Half of this list is Toyota and Lexus, and probably we could add many more of Toyota and Lexuses. Did I miss anything? Please drop in the comment below, and if you enjoy watching this video, please watch these 2 related videos as well. If you think that I'm delivering something of value, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I'm Saeed, you've just watched Carisma. Thank you very much, and I will catch you up in the next one.